Hello everyone, welcome back. It is the last boat to come in off the lakes into Sturgeon Bay to Bay Ship for the Winter Layup. Joseph L. Block, one of my all-time favorites. I'm just out in front of my house here, and there she is. She's just about by Canal Park, heading for the canal. So I have time to get down there now. Not much time to set up once I get there, but I don't know if you can see her there. Way out on the horizon. She's about 5 miles out. But the gear's all packed. Everything's charged up. Got everything in the car. We're all set to go. So next stop, back down to Canal Park. I wanted to actually shoot from the north side of the canal, along the pier by the Coast Guard station, but the sun is breaking through these clouds now, and we're gonna have some beautiful light on her port side. So we're gonna stay on the port side this morning. It's all about the light. Out on the ice a little bit, just offshore. Don't want to go any farther than this, where all that choppy ice is. That's dangerous stuff out there. But this is solid ice. And if I go through, it's only about, and I don't think I will, it's solid, but it's about, the water's about 2 feet deep here. We're gonna have some beautiful light, it looks like. My buddy, Jim Connolly, he's shooting from over there. Ran into him in the parking lot. I think I'm gonna shoot with a 70 to 200 millimeter lens today. From here anyway. Might shoot differently in town. Nice day out here today. A little cold, I think it's about 10 degrees, but very little wind. I'm surprised Jim and I are the only ones out here, to tell you the truth. But then again, it is a Monday. Somebody's got a drone up. Have to keep my eye out for that. You know, I've got lots of photos of the Joseph Block, but it's one of my favorites. She was built right here in Sturgeon Bay, 1976, I believe. And of course, her retired captain, Ray Sheldon, is a friend of mine. It's funny, when I was looking up where she was, before I got out of the car, I'll put that up on the screen here. They put in the coordinates, or at least the destination, you know, where they're leaving from and where they're heading to. And their destination was Vegas, baby. Good humor all the way around. And it was also the Clyde, Vandenkevert, had Long Winter's Nap as its destination. I thought that was pretty funny too. She's getting close. I'm gonna have like 3 seconds to take this shot. Even though I'm shooting at 70 millimeters, the boat's gonna take up nearly the entire screen. So. The 728-foot Joseph L. Block has a unique bow for a Great Lakes ore carrier, making her easily recognizable among boat enthusiasts. Built at a cost of $17 million in 1976 for the Inland Steel Corporation, her keel was laid right here at Bay Ship. As a dedicated ore carrier, ferrying taconite from Escanaba, Michigan to Inland Steel's mill at East Chicago, Indiana. The last of the ore docks in Escanaba closed in 2016, but the strapping Joe Block continues her proud tradition, now muscling her way between the iron ranges of western Lake Superior and the remaining steel mills of the lower Lake Michigan shoreline. So I'm out at Bullhead Point, just getting some final B-roll from the shot today. And who do I run into? I run into the guy who found my tripod and turned it into the police. This is Todd, ladies and gentlemen. Say thank you, Todd, for turning in Kevin's tripod and geared head, the idiot who left it out there in the snow.
That happens. That happens.
Here's another great photographer and drone operator in town. This is Gary Seelar over here. So, yeah, all the old guys hanging out together, you know.
All the photographers hanging out, having a good day. Sun shining, ships are coming in.
So, you know, I owe you a case of Bud Light.
I'll take you up on that.
At least. So.
I'll take you up on that one.
Yeah, all right. I'll stop by sometime. I know where you live. I'm going to wrap it up, go home and get some lunch. So it's really good to see you. And thanks again, Todd. I really, really appreciate it. And I'll stop by with that case of Bud Light. Okay, we're not going to talk about his taste in beer, but I'll stop by with a case of Bud Light. All right.
Got it.
See you guys.
Take care, guys.
So this year's Winter Layup is complete. 18 lake-going vessels of all shapes and sizes now call Fincantieri Bay Ship Company home for at least the next couple of months. But it won't be long before their crews will be fitting out for a new season. As for me, well, it's been an exhausting but invigorating and satisfying 10 days and nights chasing these iron darlings. I loved every minute of it. And the comments and feedback and stories I've received from viewers like you from all around the world is what compels me to tell their unique stories as best I can, in the hopes that others will learn to love these boats the way that I do. Now, there's just one more piece of unfinished business I have to attend to before I can close the book on this year's Winter Layup. And until next time, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you down the road. Thanks for watching.